Which takes me to the next most important thing is the career, is your career. It's your job placement while in college. So many people make the mistake of getting a McDonald's job while going for a technical degree. That is one of the worst decisions you can make. You're better off being the janitor of a automation company or a manufacturing company where at least while you're pushing your mop around, you can see a manufacturing piece of equipment. You can see a conveyor, you can see a robot moving, right? And I also highly advise that you try to target an automation company if automation is what you want to do, right? If robot programming, PLC programming, or maybe it's mechanical engineering, if that's something that you want to do, that you go to an automation company. And I'd probably even go to a smaller automation company because that's where you're really going to get the most exposure to the most technologies. You're going to be able to navigate within that company very openly. And that's also another huge reason why I've been able to become as successful as I have and as quick as I have. You know, with spending a little over a decade in the industry, I've been able to work as controls engineer, work as an electrical engineer, work as a project manager, become the CEO of a company, and now again doing millions of dollars in revenue. And